Hey you guys, welcome back to an all new video. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along on a room tour. So if this is your first time joining me, like come on, what you waiting on? Go on and hit that subscribe button before you leave. I would love to have you. And thank you for those who are returning. I so appreciate you. But yeah, I'm just going to be taking you guys along, showing you how I decorated my daughter's room, just kind of telling you where I purchased everything from. And yes, heads up, majority of everything in this room is from Amazon. So yes, over the door, I have the little door hooks that I purchased from Ross. I love them because they were pink and they had the jewels on top. But you can put whatever you want on there. Backpacks, coats, umbrellas, whatever you choose to. The wall canvas pictures came from Amazon. It went with the theme of the room, so I had to have them. And it just gave a whole new look to that wall. It was really empty. The J, a neighbor purchased, so I had to throw that in there. The jewels I actually purchased from Amazon as well. They didn't come with a dresser, and I thought those were super cute. Over here is somewhat still empty. I haven't figured out what I want to do, but I did find this ottoman that I'm getting ready to order. The cheerleader thing she got from gymnastics. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do and if I want to hang it up. I'm going to spray paint it, find something to do, because she just had to have it. But the bed actually came from Value City. I love the jewels in the headboard, and it's an easy clean. You can just spray multi-surface on there, leather protectant, whatever you choose to. If there's a stain, whatever you want, you can just clean it. It's real easy. The bedding came from Amazon as well. The 3 pillows, the sequence pillows, I ordered from Ross. She had to have them, and I thought those gave it a perfect look to add to the bed. There's another J. She loved J. Her name is Julie, of course. And her aunt actually got that for her birthday. You guys, that rug is so amazing. It's like when you get up, it feels so good under your feet. It's one of those fox fur rugs or faux rug, whatever you call it, but we love it. The wall decals came from Amazon, of course. And the curtains, we keep them open some days. We keep them closed. It just depends. I love natural lighting. So does my daughter. So if she wants her windows open, we'll open them up and then open the curtains. And then other days, she just likes to have them closed. So, yep, that's what we do. The curtain rod I actually found at Burlington. I thought that was so cute. I had to get it. It's actually from the BB collection. The white shelf, the white bookshelf is actually one of those college tier bookshelves that you can purchase for a dorm room. The night light we purchased from Amazon, of course. This is what it looks like when it's turned on. It has different settings, and you can change the colors, whatever you want. The alarm clock, of course, Amazon. And the light name thing that she got that from Five and Below. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just, you know, a little tour. I didn't actually record the footage of me decorating it, but I still wanted to do a walkthrough. So I hope you got, in the trash can is from Target. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.